Yeah, hello guys. Welcome to my channel. My name is Thompson, and today I want to show you guys how you can open a Payoneer account right here in Nigeria. Okay. Now, this Payoneer account you open will be able to help you to have a bank account of have a USD account, and you will have a pounds account. Do you understand? So you can be able to receive funds in three different denomination, okay, which is pounds, USD, and also euro. Okay, so I'll just go straight into this video to show you exactly how you can open your own Payoneer account right here in Nigeria. Okay, what you do is that you go to payoneer.com. The internet is kind of slow, but I just want us to hold on and let's just get through it. Okay, so basically this is how the interface will look like. Okay, you just click on register here. Okay, this is how the interface actually looks like. Then you click on register. So when you click on register, it's going to load and it will take you to where you input your details. Really, I don't know why the internet is kind of slow today. But before that, let me just show you something. I'm using Payoneer for like the past 2 to 3 years, okay, and I have two accounts on Payoneer. So let me just show you. Um, let me just show you one of my accounts, the transaction, so that you get to know that I'm actually showing you what I practice. Okay, this is something I've been doing. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the transactions that I've carried out in this account. Okay, let's say last year. Let's say last year. Let's say last year. So you can see, I will load it down again. You can see I've been receiving money on this. You see all this money. I use my card basically on the ATM. Okay, and sometimes if I receive a large chunk of money, I send the money directly to my bank account. Okay, let me just show you. As you can see, I don't know if you can actually see it very well. This is my Payoneer card. This is my Payoneer card. So I just showed you this so that you know that what I'm saying, I know exactly how to do this thing, and I've opened it. So this is the interface. If you're a fresher, how to open it is say let's find the right account for your need. Then you come down here, you choose individual accounts. I'm looking to you choose get paid by international client and marketplace. You see send and receive money between friends and family. Order a prepaid card. You just click on this get paid by international client and marketplaces. Then it brings you here. It says you should register. You click on register. It's going to load. Okay, so it's going to bring us here where we input our information. So here we're just going to say, I'm just going to use a random name because I already have two accounts. Like I have one for myself, and the other one I used my brother's name I used someone's name to open the other one. So let's just say Johnson. I just say Johnson. We're going to put random name. I just say Anthony. Oh, sorry. The internet is a bit slow today. I don't really know why. Then the email, I'm just going to put one of my email address. Enioidoma@gmail.com. Then I should re-enter the email address. So I'm going to re-enter the email address here. Then it says date of birth. I'm going to choose a random date of birth. Let me just choose a random date of birth anyway. Then you click on next. After inputting your details, you click on next. Then it's going to bring you to this interface. Street and number. Let me just say number 67. John Street. Okay, city and town. Here you can put Lagos. Then zip code. Can use this zip code. Okay, 1001. Then it say phone number. You can decide to use any phone number. Just choose your own phone number that you have. I'm going to use this phone number. I'm going to use this phone number. It says I should receive code. So I'm going to wait for the code to come. I just received the code now, so I'm going to put the code 479 681 681. Okay. Then you're going to click next. Okay, so it's going to bring you to this interface. So you are required to put in your password here. Okay, you put in your password, then you answer the security question. Basically, the security question is just to ensure that your account is safe. Okay, you can choose any of the security question here. Let me just choose what this is. Say, what is your father's profession? So I'm going to say farmer. Okay, I put in farmer here. It say ID details. I choose Nigeria, driver's license. Okay, now this ID details is either you use driver's license or you use an international passport. I understand our NIN does not work. Okay, some persons have tried it and it didn't work. Payoneer rejected them. So I would advise you to use either driver's license or your international passport. So for this, we're going to choose driver's license. Then in this driver's license, you just choose. Let me just choose the number. It's a random number. Okay, I just choose a random number. Okay, then you ask you to choose the dates, the expiration dates of the driver's license. I just choose 2024. Okay, then you come down here. It asks you to put in this code. You can see this code below here. So I'm going to put in the code is FTMK then X. That is the code there. So after putting all that, you have to go through it to be sure that everything is okay. Your email address is there, the password is there. Make sure the password is the same. Okay, then you click on next. You see, when you click on next, it now tells you that please add a bank account for withdrawal that belongs to you or your company. Okay, so in this place now you have to add your bank accounts. Okay, let me just put in let me just say Access Bank. I'll just put 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, then you click on, remember these numbers, this bank account I put is just a random one. Then you click I agree. Okay, you click on I agree, then you submit. So you see, after you submit, it's not going to say congratulations. Okay, congratulations, your Payoneer account application has been submitted successfully and is now being reviewed. Want a Payoneer card? Learn how to order one. See, presently as it is now, your Payoneer card is under review and they will review it, and if all the informations you provided are correct, okay, with their findings, they are going to approve you and they will send you your Payoneer card. Okay, everything will be fine and they will send you your Payoneer card. Okay, so now what we're going to do now, let's log in into the account and see how it looks like. Let's try and log into the account and see. There's a video I'm going to do. I'm just going to leave this one here as it is now, but I want to make another video. I'll be making that video, I guess, either tomorrow or so. I want to make a video to show you how you can get your Payoneer card in Nigeria within 4 to 5 working days. Okay, that is the video I want to make. So what you just do now is that you log in into your accounts. Let me try logging into this. Let me log into this account I just opened. at gmail.com, right? Let me log into the accounts. I'm logging into our new account now. Okay, so they are going to send code. I'm going to send, I might just tell them not now, but ordinarily they are supposed to send a code to me to confirm if I'm truly the owner of the account. But we'll just choose not now. Okay, so you can see that the Payoneer account is actually open. Okay, so that is just how to open your Payoneer account. Okay, in order to continue your Payoneer account, please update the following information. Okay, you can just come down here and put in those information. Select a security question. I say, what is your grandmother's name? You can see Angel. Okay, then it says security question 2. You say, which high school did you attend? You can see Jesus College. Okay, then you click on submit. You see, then it brings you directly into your Payoneer account. You can see this is your Payoneer account now, right? This is your Payoneer account. This is just how simple it is to open a Payoneer account. Okay, in the next video I will show you exactly how to get your Payoneer card delivered to you in Nigeria within 5 days. Okay, so that is it. Thank you for watching. If you got value from this video, I want you to subscribe to my channel. Okay, like the video and click the notification button, so when next I post a video, you'll be the first to get to see it. Okay, I appreciate you for taking the time to watch this video. Okay, and I hope you have learned 1 or 2 things, and I will appreciate your subscription. Okay, thank you and bye bye.